Hello everyone, welcome to CSAT capsule. In this question, the price of a commodity is first increased by k%, decreased by k%, again increased by k% and again decreased by k%. New price is Q. We have to find the relation between P and Q. So here first concept that is being used is percentage. So first increased by k%, then we first calculate what is k% of P, which is k by 100 into P. And since it is increased by k%, we add the original value, which was P. Taking out common P, it becomes 1 plus k by 100. Now in any question, if this type of question is asked where the price is increased or decreased by some k% or 10%, you can directly use this in the question itself, where you can just write the original price 1 plus the percentage by which it is increased by 100. If it is decreased, you can directly replace the plus with minus. Now let's call the price after first increase P1, then decrease by k%. So we can directly use it, replacing the plus by minus. So it will become P1 1 minus k by 100. One thing to note, that we are not using P here but P1, because after the first change the new price becomes P1. Again increased by k%, we can simply use it 1 plus k by 100 and use P2 here. Again decreased by k%, 1 minus k by 100, and we use P3 here. So new price is Q. So the final price which we get after 2 increase and 2 decrease is Q. Now what we do, we write Q is equals to, we will write first this part here and write P3. Now what is P3? P3 is P2 1 plus k by 100. So we write this part. Now what is P2? P1 1 minus k by 100. So we write this part. And now what is P1? P1 is 1 plus k by 100 into P here. Now we see that this and this term is occurring twice. So same terms, when it is multiplied, it becomes square. Similarly for 1 plus k by 100, it becomes a square. This is basic fraction, subtraction and addition. So if you are not very good at this, you must practice fraction part here. Fractions, addition, multiplication, division. 100 minus k by 100, this becomes 100 minus k by 100 square, 100 plus k by 100 by square. Just splitting here. So this is 100 square in the denominator, 100 minus k plus k square, 100 plus k square in the numerator. We take both these denominators to the left hand side and it will become multiplication. On the right hand side, we will use the exponents and power property, that a square into b square is equal to a into b whole square. So we'll take this as a, this as b, and we'll multiply them here and take the square outside. 100 is 10 square, so we can just replace it with that. Here again we will use a simple a plus b, a minus b formula, which is equal to a square minus b square. So 100 minus k, 100 plus k becomes 100 square minus k square. The outside square remains here, and we should not forget 10 square whole square becomes 10 to the power 4. From the property a to the power m to the power n becomes a to the power m into n. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. Similarly 10 square becomes 10 to the power 4. On the right hand side, we are writing 100 as 10 square. So 10 square whole square. The other thing remains the same. 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power 4, we use the property a to the power p into a to the power q, where if the base is same, the powers are added. So 4 plus 4 becomes 8, 10 to the power 8 q is equals to, here also 2 into 2, we use this property, it becomes 10 to the power 4 minus k square. Hence a is our answer. So in this question, we used fraction, all the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or fraction. We used percentage, and we used exponent and powers. And we just have to solve it without making any calculation mistakes. That's all for this. See you in the next one.